Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to fix vanish mode on Instagram in 2025. If you're an Instagram user, you know vanish mode is that cool feature where your messages disappear after viewing, keeping things private and fun. But sometimes, it stops working due to app glitches, updates, or settings issues. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through simple, step-by-step fixes that should get it back up and running in no time. First things first, always start with the basics. Open your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check if Instagram needs an update. Instagram rolls out updates frequently, especially in 2025, to fix bugs and improve features like vanish mode. Tap that update button and let it install. Once done, relaunch the app and try enabling vanish mode again. If that doesn't do the trick, let's clear the cache. Cached data can build up and cause problems. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This step often resolves temporary glitches without losing your data. Next, give your device a quick restart. It's an oldie but a goodie. Powering off and on can refresh your system and fix minor software issues. After restarting, open Instagram and check if vanish mode is working. Now, ensure your internet connection is stable. Vanish mode requires a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, so switch networks if you're having trouble. If you're on a slow connection, it might not activate properly. If these steps haven't helped, try toggling vanish mode off and on manually. Go to a direct message, swipe up to enable or disable it, and see if that resets the feature. And as a last resort, head to Instagram's Help Center or contact support through the app. They can provide personalized assistance for any ongoing issues. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to fix vanish mode on Instagram in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.